This right here is what most business owners want to evaluate. Should I pay you like a 1099 contractor, or should I do the whole pay stub and bring you on board as an employee? I got some bad news here for you. Asking the tax professional is the wrong person to ask. The reason why is because there are employment laws, federal and state employment laws. So you got to talk to the right professional. And whenever you have a business, that means you got to talk to different people regarding different expertise that can provide you the right advice. A tax professional could only say the tax forms that are going to be filed because it is much different. A 1099 is simple, it's easy. It's a shortcut. It's like, yeah, you pay somebody 10 grand, you cut them out at the $10,000 1099 at the end of the year. You had 5 different independent contractors. That's so be it. That's all you do. Versus a W-2 wage earner, there's much more work involved, much more calculations. However, the beginning of how you pay them and how and why you should pay them, that's an employment law issue. You got to be talking to an employment attorney about this to see if your business is able to bring them on board as an independent contractor. Because if you happen to bring them aboard and pay them as 1099, however, you're violating state and federal laws, then that means that you're going to pay a very stiff penalty if you ever get audited by those agencies. So the tax reasons why the tax filings is much more separate. We almost do things how the business is operating. So if you have the independent contractors already, a tax professional will go ahead and issue out the 1099s, do the record keeping. A tax professional might say, hey, you know what, based upon your business, I recommend you talk to an employment attorney. And that's what you got to do. Because on the tax side of things, we can handle the 1099 filing, the W-2 filing, the 941, the 940 filing, all of the things that come with payroll. That's something we handle. But how you should pay them and how you bring them on board, employment attorney first. Hire them and then talk to a tax professional.